Welcome back. So in lesson 2, digit dance, it's really just continuing on from where we left off on lesson 1. Okay, with us imagining how it is that the numbers move place values depending on how many sets of 10 they are being multiplied by. Okay, so if we use the number 360, okay, and that is being multiplied by 100. If I use my little trick, there's 2 zeros in 100, so I need to move it 2 place values, this number here. So the 3 is going to come here. The 6 goes 2 places to here. The 0 goes 2 places to here. And then I have 2 more zeros that I'm going to have to add to the end to hold those places. Okay, because it's before the decimal here, and I have to hold these places, otherwise it would just say 360, which is what we started with. So let's try another one. Let's try 364 times 1,000. Okay, well, this is 100 sets of 10. And if I count my zeros, 1, 2, 3, that tells me that these digits are going to move 3 place values. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I need to hold my places. Okay, so my answer would be 364,000. Let's try one with a decimal. Let's try 519 and 4/10. And we're going to multiply it by 100. So I have 1, 2 zeros. Everything is getting larger, so I am moving place values to the left. And this tells me I'm moving 2 place values. And my 4, even though it's after the decimal point, is moving 2 place values. And now I still have 1 place I need to hold, so I'm going to put a 0 there. There are no other parts of 1 whole that are on this side. I could put zeros here. There are actually invisible zeros there, but I don't have to because there's nothing after this. Now let's try a division one. Division works the same way when you're talking about groups of 10. It's just you're going the opposite way because your numbers are getting smaller. So let's say that I have 293 and I am going to divide by 100. Oh, let's be crazy. Let's divide by 1,000. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3 zeros, which tells me that I'm going to be moving my digits 3 place values, and I'm dividing, so my numbers are getting smaller this time. So I'm going to do this 3 place values. And then I don't have anything over here. Since I don't have anything on this side of the decimal, I don't have to put a 0, but I can, just like it over on this side. If there's nothing there, you don't have to put a 0, but you can. I hope this helps.